Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a tally bill. First, ensure your tally software is open and your company is selected. We'll start by understanding the basic structure of a sales invoice, including buyer details, item specifics, and tax information. Then, we'll move into setting up the necessary ledger accounts for sales and customers, which is crucial for accurate record keeping. This foundational knowledge will prepare you for efficient billing. Now, let's dive into recording your sales transactions. Begin by selecting the Accounting Vouchers option and choosing Sales. You'll enter the customer's name and address, ensuring all details are precise. Next, select the items being sold, specifying their quantities and unit rates. Tally will automatically calculate the total. Remember to include any applicable discounts or extra charges to reflect the final amount. Once your items are entered, it's time to handle taxes. Tally allows you to apply various tax types, such as GST, directly to your sales invoice. Ensure the correct tax ledgers are selected and the amounts are calculated automatically. Carefully review the entire bill, checking all figures, customer details, and item descriptions for any errors. Finally, save the voucher, and you can then print or export your professional tally bill. Beyond basic billing, Tally offers advanced features like multi-currency transactions for international sales and the ability to manage different price levels for various customer segments. You can also generate comprehensive reports, such as sales registers and outstanding receivables, to gain valuable insights into your business performance. These tools help streamline your financial management. For more tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals, please see the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.